Every adventure is fueled by water. But where many adventures are found, water is rarely safe and clean to drink. At Grail, we get outside or travel the globe whenever we can. We've used and been let down by dozens of water filters and purifiers. They're slow and awkward to use, bulky or complicated. Some require sucking and squeezing, batteries, and even chemicals. Our goal is to fundamentally change how you hydrate on the go. After 4 years of obsessing over every detail of its design and performance, we're excited to unveil the product we've poured our heart and soul into, the Grail Ultralight Purifier Bottle. The Ultralight is the most advanced purifier bottle in the world. It's the fastest, it's the most convenient, it's compact, it's easy to use, and you can purify water from virtually any freshwater source. Definitely make room for it in your bag on your next trip. Whether you're filling up at a questionable hotel sink in Peru, on a gnarly trail needing to drink from a dirty stream, or at home prepping a disaster kit, purify water anywhere in the world. Full spectrum purification plus filtration means you're protected against pathogens like virus, bacteria, and protozoa, plus particulates, chemicals, and heavy metals. The Ultralight filters and purifies at the same time. Filtering makes water clean, purification makes it safe to drink, so you don't spend 3 days hugging a toilet on your next vacation. Just fill, press, drink. Fill at any stream, lake, sketchy tap, hotel sink, or bathroom. Press at knee level, utilizing your body weight for mechanical advantage. It's fast and easy and only takes 15 seconds. Drink purified water, anywhere. Use the integrated attachment loop to clip onto your backpack. It's incredibly lightweight, weighing only 10.9 ounces. The Grail Ultralight bottle represents a pure distillation of everything we've sought to create over the past 4 years. In fact, it's the only bottle anyone, anywhere will ever need. Please help us change the status quo and how people access safe, clean drinking water on the go. Thank you.
Why do we love to travel? For some, it would be to take a beautiful photo, or to get that next passport stamp. Or do we set out for more? To get lost on purpose, to open new horizons, and to take on new challenges for ourselves. To take risks, to experience the real thing, to build deeper connections with people in different cultures, and to come home, having found another piece of yourself. At Grail, we empower adventure with innovative water purifiers that work on virtually any fresh water source, so your travels can be safe, self-reliant, and awe-inspiring. In a world full of questions, access to clean, safe drinking water shouldn't be one of them. Purifying water has never been easier than with Grail. Just fill, press, and drink.
Oh, Woo!